In this video, I'll show you how to make slides with Claude AI. This beginner-friendly guide will help you quickly create slide content for presentations. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create slides. For example, I might type, "Create slides for a presentation about time management." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate slide content, usually including titles and bullet points for each slide. If I want more detailed slides, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the number of slides, audience, or topic focus. For example, I might type, "Create a 10-slide presentation about productivity tips for students." Claude can also help add speaker notes, examples, or explanations for each slide. Once the slides are ready, I can copy or download the content and paste it into PowerPoint or Google Slides. And that's it. I've successfully created slides using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.